Convert decimal fractions to common fractions. We have a 0,4, that would be equal to 4 out of 10. We have b, which is 0,7, 0,7, and that is equal to 7 out of 10. Then we have c, which is 0,55, and that is equal to 55 over 100. Then we have d, which is 0,32, 0,32, that is equal to 32 over 100. Then we have e, 0,21, that equals to 21 over 100. Then we have f, that is equal to 0,03, that is equal to 3 over 100. Then we have g, that is equal to 0,01, that equals to 1 over 100. Then we have h, which is 0,02, and that is equal to 2 over 100. Then we have I, just a bit of a tricky one, 1,1, that is the same as saying 1 plus 0,1, that's the same as saying 1 plus 1 over 10, and this can be simplified in a mixed fraction. 10 times 1 is 10, plus 1 equals 11 over 10 is the final answer. And so this is I. Then we have J, and that is 2,06. That can be written as 2 plus 0,06. That can be written as 2 plus 6 over 100. And therefore, this can be written as a mixed fraction. 2 times 100 is 200 plus 6. And that's 206 over 100. Okay, there we have A to J.